here. Now see question 2. Construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 cm from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 cm and measure its length. Also verify the measurement by actual calculation. Now here we will first of all construct. Now concentric circles are given. You have studied this last year. What is concentric circles? Two circles with same center but different radius are called concentric circles. So already I have drawn two circles. So this first circle, suppose if I am writing here any point Q, then OQ is of 4 cm and OP is a circle with radius 6 cm. So concentric circles are the circles with same center but different radius. Now what is given? Question. Take any point on outer circle, that is a circle with 6 cm. Now from this point we have to draw tangents to this circle. So it is exactly like 11.3 construction only. But here directly instead of giving P, they are giving it in the form of a circle. But P is an external point, O is center. So as usual here whatever we were doing, same to do. First of all find midpoint of this OP. How to find midpoint? So draw perpendicular bisector of OP. Now as soon as you get perpendicular bisector, so you will get midpoint. Now as soon as you get midpoint, take, suppose this is your midpoint M you got. Then using this midpoint, so take MO distance, and as I told you in textbook they are giving circle, but we don't have to draw circle, only we will give two arcs like this. Suppose it will come randomly like this, then join this PA and PB. Now let us draw. First of all what to do? First of all draw perpendicular bisector of PO. So take more than half distance and give an arc upside, and similar way give an arc downside. First I have taken from P, now I will take from O. So give arc here and here also. Now join this, it is perpendicular bisector. Now if I join it, oh, it is exactly same M point. Now taking M as a center and MO as a radius, take MO radius, give an arc. One arc will come here, another arc will come here. Now join this arc with P. So that is this P here, it is intersecting here. So this is your point A, and similar way it is intersecting here. So this is your point B. So PA and PB are the tangents from point P to the circle O4. No need to show calculation. It is okay. I hope construction is clear. What to do? First of all, draw two circles. One of radius 4 cm, another is of radius 6 cm. Take point P on a circle with radius 6 cm. So that is an external point. Join OP. Take perpendicular bisector. Now that is your center. Take MO as a radius. Give an arc which will intersect the smaller circle. And that is your AB. Join PA with PB. So that is the required tangents.